An integer is chosen at random between 1 and 100. Find the probability that it is divisible by 8 and not divisible by 8. Now, we have to choose the integer between 1 and 100. Between 1 and 100. This is the important. Between 1 and 100. And another question that can be formed, that is from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100 means 1 and 100 will be it. Between means in between 1 and 100. That means number of total outcomes will be equal to 98. But in case of from 1 to 100, the number of outcomes will be total number of outcomes will be 100. That we have to distinguish. Now, for the first case, it is divisible by 8. That means number of integers which are divisible by 8. Here I have written this one. You see 8, 16, 24 up to 96. These are divisible by 8. This is the first one. Similarly, this one will be your 12th one. You see. This is an arithmetic progression actually. 8, 16, 24, 32 up to 96. So it is 8 into 1, it is 8 into 2, that is 8 into 12, 12th term. 96 is the 12th term. So number of favorable outcomes will be equal to 12. Hence, probability that the number is divisible by 8 will be equal to number of favorable outcomes. You should write number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes, which is equal to number of favorable outcomes is 12 and total number of outcomes is 98. If we will simplify it by 2, that is if we will divide the numerator and denominator by 2, then it will be equal to 6 by 49. 6 by 49. Similarly, for the second case, not divisible by 8. We know that for the second case, if we will write probability of complement of an event will be equal to 1 minus probability of the event. So probability of not getting, not divisible by, probability of getting, that is a number which is not divisible by 8 will be equal to 1 minus probability of getting a number which is divisible by 8. 1 minus 6 by 49. That is equal to 49 minus 6, that is equal to 43 by 49. This will be the answer.